Hi, my name is Eric Pearson, and I'm going to be running the Savage Worlds of Solomon Kane Zombie Apocalypse 1607 AD at the COGS Expo this year. Solomon Kane is a character created by Robert E. Howard, who also created Conan the Barbarian. Both are very pulpy characters, and the Savage Worlds system is a perfect blend of pulpiness and excitement. I welcome new players because the system is fairly easy to learn, plus I will have little laminated placemats for everyone so that way they can actually learn the system. Kids are invited provided they're old enough not to have nightmares about zombies. The game is called Zombie Apocalypse 1607. That's pretty much it. Other than that, all I can say is, I've been a gamer for 38 years. I've run game at cons before, though it's been a little while since I've done that. Hope to see you there. Please sign up for my game.